Hello and welcome. My name is Jeremy, and I thought we would start doing little projects every time we cover a topic or two just to kind of reinforce what we've gone over, what we've talked about, what you learn, what you might be kind of iffy about, because I can talk about it all I want. I can show you, but maybe actually building little projects, you can see how everything kind of works together, or if something isn't working right, maybe you could play around with this some more, send me an email. You can even put it up on my forum whenever you completed a project, and I'll take a look at it. I'll give it a good once over. So that being said, I'm gonna since we've covered some stuff already like H1 or H tags, H1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We also covered break tags, paragraph tags, strong, bold, italic, emphasis, and I believe that's about it. So we're going to take not all of it, but at least like 90% of it, and we're going to put it into a project itself. So that being said, this is what our project's going to look like right here. So this could be your first page that you have made. So let's get started. Now, last week, I talked about making a template so it's easier, so you don't have to type out all the same generic code again. And I made that template available. It's on my website. You can go there and download it. I'll put the website in the description. Might even have a link in the video somewhere as well. So that being said, here we go. This is the template. Simple, straightforward. All right, here we go. So what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to give it a title. I'm just going to say homepage. Then I'm going to save this. And let's close some of these out. And as you can tell, I have nothing in my content area yet, because I don't have anything in my body area. Oops. Let's fix that a little bit. That's annoying. But you can tell my title tag works just fine. So that being said, let's go ahead and let's give it an H1. That's going to be our first one. H1. Whoops. Not caps. H1. Okay. And then I'm going to say hello and welcome. I'm going to save this and just refresh my page, just make sure it's working right. Looks fine to me. Here, let's get this just a little bit. There you go. Alright, then I like to put spaces in between my ending tag, so it's easier to read. You'll see here in a few minutes kind of what I'm talking about. So since I have this H1 tag up here, I'm going to go to my next one down, which is an H2. And I'm going to say something like, my name is Jeremy. Yep, I'm going to save it, refresh this page. It's looking pretty good. My next thing is I'm going to have in a H3 is going to be my next item. And like I said, these are just headings. Like I said, the best way to think about them is it's kind of like newspaper headings. So this will be the next size down. So we got hello, my name is Jeremy, and I'm going to have a little about me section. Alright, so here I'm going to use some paragraph tags. I'm going to add a little bit of text to this. So I'm going to say 1. Whoops, not bang. 1. I'm a cool guy who loves computers. There we go. And then I'm going to give it another one. And say, I enjoy playing video games. Who doesn't, right? Video games. If I can spell games. Alright, and then we give one more. Oops, actually, since I did number 1, maybe I should put a 2 here. 2. And my last one is learning is what I say. I think learning is a passion. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so we have our H1 tag, our H2 tag, H3, and our 3 paragraph tags right here. Now this is looking pretty decent code-wise. Let's look at on the web page. Looks pretty well. But I'm going to drop this one down and I'm going to make it italic. So how would we do that? Well, one way we can do it is you can do a break and I'll put it on an extra line. But I want to emphasize that who loves computers? Yeah, I'm gonna emphasize this. You said you can use italics or emphasize. They're roughly the same thing. We'll save this and we'll hit refresh. Then I'll put on a separate line. And who loves computers? All right, our next thing. What did it look like? Okay, yep, that had another. Okay, so do another H3, and let's see. Maybe about this site. Oh, this site is about, I think. This site is about. And I'll just add 2 paragraph tags here. And to say, this is my personal site. And everything on here is truish. Yeah, that sounds good. If that's even a word. It is now. Truish. So this is what the project would look like, all completed, and it didn't take that long. What, maybe 5-6 minutes to type all of this out. So it just kind of gives you a little extra practice, kind of using you can change all this up. You can change this to strong if you want to. Oops. And it would even give it a totally different look and feel. So refresh that, see how it kind of pops out. The only bad thing about it, this pops out and looks really close to this H3. So that's why it might be better to, oops, let's close one of these, this one. That's why I kind of chose to use the emphasis, because it kind of, I guess it doesn't conflict with the look of the H3, and it still kind of stands out a little bit. So this is the project. Figured it's kind of simple, kind of quick. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead, shoot me an email, drop the comments down below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, pass along to your friends if you want to. Like I said, I'll have the source code up on my website here shortly. And you guys have a great day. I appreciate everyone. Thank you very much. Bye.